Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Volkswagen California Ocean from a slightly different perspective. Not just as a dream campervan, but as a financial decision, a brand new California. Ocean typically costs between 70 and 90,000 US dollars, while a well-maintained used model can often be found for 50 to 70,000. That price gap alone makes many buyers wonder, is buying new really worth it? When it comes to running costs, the California Ocean is surprisingly efficient, averaging around 12 to 14 kilometers per liter on a 1,000-kilometer road trip. You'll use roughly 75 liters of diesel, add campsite fees, tolls, and groceries, and the total cost can still be lower than staying in hotels and renting a car, especially if you're traveling with family or friends. A new van does offer peace of mind with a factory warranty and lower maintenance costs. On the other hand, a used model usually comes with cheaper insurance and has already gone through the steepest part of depreciation. Even if you set aside an extra $1,000 a year for maintenance, the savings from buying used can be substantial. So, if your goal is to get the best value for your money while enjoying the campervan lifestyle, a carefully inspected used California Ocean is often the smarter choice. At the end of the day, a campervan is more than just a vehicle. It's a way to travel, work remotely, and create unforgettable memories, all while keeping your budget under control. What would you choose? A brand new California Ocean or a pre-owned one? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you